So today we're going to explore a fun new way to learn more about your heritage through the Family Tree app from FamilySearch. So you go ahead and open up your app, and in the upper left-hand corner, you expand the menu, and you're going to go down to Family History Activities. And that'll take you to the website. If you haven't logged in, you'll need to, so you can view your ancestors. But you're just going to click on, where am I from? And it'll open up with a map that shows you how many events happened in different areas of the world. So you can kind of scroll around and explore those. And you can zoom in if you want to learn a little bit more about those people, and it'll show you their names, and you can go ahead and click on their profile to learn more about them. You can see how you're related to them. If they have photos and stories, those will be in there also. Then you can go up at the top here. If you want to learn about the places that you're from, you just scroll over to My Heritage, and it'll show you a percentage of the countries that you come from. So how many of your ancestors came from those particular countries. And then if you want to learn more about that country, you would just go ahead and click on it. And up at the top there, you can see how you can, it'll show you all of your ancestors that came from that country. And if you want to learn more about their food, you can click on the food tab, and it'll tell you kind of like how they eat there. And then this is the best part, actual recipes from that country. And of course, none of these are having pictures, but a lot of them will have pictures, I swear. There we go, there's a picture. But you can find some fun things to make. And then it'll tell you more fun things about traditions and fun facts about the countries. And you can go ahead and explore and learn a little bit more about the countries that your ancestors came from.